Good morning, dear student. Yesterday we discussed the story The Tale of a Tale. In this story, there are few characters Swaminathan, Shankar, P, Rajam, Somu, and Mani. We have discussed how Swaminathan got angry when one student of his class wrote tail on the blackboard, and it was the embarrassing moment for Swaminathan. Now he start fighting with them. Now today we will continue our chapter from here. Swaminathan turned to him and slapped his face also. He slapped Shankar also after P. Soon there was a pandemonium. Pandemonium means a situation in which there is a lot of noise and confusion. In class, there was a pandemonium. Shankar, Swaminath, and P rolling over each other, tearing and scratching and knocking one another. Scratching means to mark, to scratch something. Tearing means to tear the page. Farna. So they start rolling over each other and tearing, scratching and kicking one another. The bell rang. Just then, Rajam, Somu, and Mani entered. The teacher came in and stood aghast. Aghast means filled it with shocking. The teacher came in the class and he was shocked to see this. Why? The children are fighting. He could do little more than look on. He was the old Tamil Pandit, the most composed teacher in the school. Composed means very calm and cool. Composed means calm and cool. So teacher entered in the class and he is very shocked, and the teacher is a Tamil Pandit, but he is very composed teacher, means calm teacher, cool teacher in the school. Somu and Mani parted the fighters with great difficulty. They parted the fighter. Parted means to separate the fighters with the great difficulty. Somu said, "Sir, please let us go out. We do not want to disturb the class." The teacher started to answer, but Mani had already gone out, pushing Swaminathan and P before him. Before the teacher say something, Mani had gone outside, pushing the Swaminathan and P. Somu followed him with Shankar. All the friends came to a lonely spot in the field adjoining the school. Adjoining means beside and next building. They went to the lonely spot which is beside the building, school building. There was silence for a while, and then Mani said, "What is wrong with you, you little rugs?" Rugs means villains. Who said? Mani said, "What is wrong with you, you little rugs?" The three started to speak at once. They all started to speak at once. Swaminathan's voice was the loudest. "Hey, P wrote tail, big tail on the blackboard. Big." Swaminathan is very angry here and his voice was very loudest and say, "The P wrote tail, big tail on the blackboard. Big." "No, I didn't." "You screamed, P." P said, "I didn't write on the blackboard. The other two wrote it," cried Swaminathan, pointing at Shankar. Swaminathan started crying and pointing the Shankar, said, "The other two wrote it." "Rascals, did you see me?" howled Shankar. Shouted Shankar. "Rascal, did you see me to write this word on the blackboard?" he is asking to Swaminathan. Mani covered their mouths with his hand. "What is a tail, anyway?" he asked. "They all call me Rajam's tail," sobbed Swaminathan. Sobbed means crying. The crying Swaminathan said, "They all call me Rajam's tail." Mani and Rajam were sworn enemies. Sworn is the past of swear. Swear means promise. They were promised enemy. There was a frozen expression over Mani's face. He was shocked. There was no movement and a frozen expression over Mani's face. He asked, "And how dare to talk of Rajam here?" Mani asked, "How dare to talk of Rajam here? If any of you fellow have done it," growled Mani. Growl means make a low sound in the mouth, like animals always growled. "If anyone of fellow have done it," growled Mani, looking at the trembling Shankar and P. Trembling means shaking. Mani looking at the trembling Shankar and P. "If they have, what can you do?" asked Somu with a sarcastic smile. Sarcastic means mocking, giving a cunning smile. And he said, "If they have, what can you do?" And then he smiled. "What do you mean, Somu?" Student, that's all for the day. We will continue our story tomorrow, and you will read this paragraph and try to understand what is going in this story. Thank you and have a nice day.